Hello everyone, I thought I'd make an evergreen video as they call it. I'm going to do this from the experience I've gained in over a year of YouTube, a year in which I've watched many tutorials on how to grow your channel and seen thousands of clips, and channels of all kinds. So I've made a top 5 of the tips I want to give you. To give you my first piece of advice, I have to say that I have been on the wrong track for a long time, namely sub for sub, meaning that if someone subscribes to me, I subscribe to him, but this has helped me to increase my number of subscribers, but in terms of watch time, I am very bad. Because a different channel than a running one, in most of the cases, they watch a running video of mine, just a few seconds, long enough to write a comment, because I give them a comment back. But the difference is that I have the honor of giving them a full view back. I do this from my computer, and it's not hard for me to leave the clip open, even if I'm not interested in the subject of the clip. On a future channel, I will only subscribe to those in my niche, and I recommend this to everyone. In my case, I will continue on the path I have taken, still offering, as much as time allows, subscriptions back to those who subscribe to me, and when I comment, I let the clip run to the end, hoping that other channels will do the same in my case. A second tip is about thumbnails. I've noticed that many channels simply leave the thumbnail that YouTube Studio recommends. To give you an example, I'll take a recommended thumbnail for one of my videos and the one I made. There are many tools you can use to make your image look its best, but even better, to tell a story, to tell what you want to communicate in that video. If you look in analytics at each clip, you'll see a click-through rate. This is the number of clicks you get divided by the number of impressions, meaning the number of times people have seen your thumbnail. For example, if you have 100 impressions and 2 clicks, your click-through rate will be 2 divided by 100 and will be 2%. This is a kind of score that YouTube gives to your video. When someone searches for something you have in the name of your video, YouTube will somehow display videos ordered by a relevance score. The third tip is about the beginning of a clip. I notice on many channels that people don't try to get the viewer to stick with a clip, or to hook the viewer how it is said. With a few exceptions, where I notice that channels keep in mind this rule of hooking the viewer, saying in clear what's about the clip, or by showing the best scenes from the clip, but leaving a question mark in the mind of the viewer, so that he wants to follow the whole clip. People usually start the clip straight away, without a proper intro. The fourth tip is somewhat related to the duration of the clips. While with some clips, it's okay to be very long, like some relaxing music, or music to help you focus while working, on the computer, in my case, or in the case of my niche, something with good music to keep you energized on the trainer during a run or bike ride. Some clips are too long. I'm going to start for a while to make more condensed clips. If the retention graph of people watching the clip looks something like this, like a downhill run, I for one, have decided to make shorter clips, even if it means a shorter, cumulative time in a clip, because if I can keep people in the clip longer, and that can be seen well in the stats, in the audience retention, then that, combined with a good click-through rate, is the key to YouTube recommending my content when someone searches for, let's say, running. It's normal, YouTube wants to keep people on their platform as long as possible, to see as many ads as possible. After all, that's where their money comes from, and if people get on your video and leave immediately, they have no interest in promoting your video. One last point is that I see many channels that don't know how to use green screens and put them as they are. But look how good it would look if you put it like this. In the end, I'd like to ask you to let me know in the comments if you liked this video, if you think I should make more videos like this and which of the 5 tips you find most useful. Thanks for watching, and wish you a great YouTube journey, and a great day.